Step onto this wooden deck surrounded by vibrant flowers and trimmed hedges, where a serene tropical ambience makes every moment feel like a peaceful retreat. Relax in this courtyard where ivy-clad brick walls and a central water feature create a serene atmosphere perfect for quiet mornings beside Japanese maples. Discover how sleek minimalist architecture blends with lush ferns and stone walls to create an elegant garden that feels both modern and deeply connected to nature. Pink and white hydrangeas frame this suburban bench, offering a bright, serene spot where meticulous landscaping meets the charm of a classic white gabled shed. Follow this stone pathway through dappled sunlight, where red and white blossoms guide you to a cozy bench nestled within a meticulously landscaped backyard oasis. Gather around this wooden dining table surrounded by lush greenery, where a wicker bench and brick backdrop create an inviting setting for peaceful outdoor meals. Large glass doors blur the line between indoors and out, connecting a minimalist living space to a sunlit patio where natural light and greenery seamlessly merge. Lounge by the pool under a wooden pergola, where pink flowers and plush cushions transform this spacious patio into the ultimate serene backyard entertainment zone. Vibrant purple and yellow blooms surround this wooden deck, creating a colorful welcome at the glass doors where lush planters meet a beautifully maintained yard. A dark arched door flanked by palms and ferns creates a stunning tropical entrance, where stone pathways and white trim set a vibrant yet serene tone for guests. Sink into this gray L-shaped bench with striped cushions, surrounded by pink blossoms and pruned bushes that make this garden corner a perfect spot for relaxation. Dine al fresco at this elegant wooden table adorned with yellow flowers, where plush cushions and manicured greenery create a sunlit sanctuary for unforgettable meals.